Today I am going to tell you how you can connect GitHub to your Discord account. For this you need to go to user settings showing at the bottom of your screen. So log into your Discord account and at the bottom click on user settings. Now under my account you need to click on this option connections. Herein you need to find GitHub. Just you can see the logo of the GitHub. Just click on this. It will redirect you to the GitHub page. Herein you need to log in to your ID and password. After logging in you will get an option to authorize, and just click on authorization, and within a few seconds it will authorize your GitHub to your Discord account. You can see now it is connected. Now go back again to your Discord account. You can see it is now connected. So anytime you can also disconnect this. There's a cross button, you can click on this and it will get disconnected. So it is very easy. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.